Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, and kani, kani tū. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, and kani, kani tū. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Alright, now right next to me we have 3 clues that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome. Thank you.
Alright, we're going to start right at the very top here. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what's in this picture? Ai ka pai, it's a Christmas tree.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it could be? That's right. It's an angel.
Alright, clue tuatoru, our final clue is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a donkey. That's all 3 clues.
Ooh.
We have a Christmas tree, an angel, and a donkey.
You know what? I know what we're going to sing. We're going to sing a Christmas waiata, Christmas dance.
That's right, Christmas dance. Now in this song you get to learn 4 Christmas dances, and we have some friends that are helping with us. Do you want to learn the Christmas dances? Yay!
Nice. So I'm going to count to toru, and we're going to click our fingers and join our friends for the waiata. Tahi, rua, toru.
Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. If you wanna do a Christmas dance, then dance with me. Can you dance like a Christmas dance? Can you dance like a Christmas dance? Jump around like a Christmas star. Jump around like a Christmas star. Spin around like a Christmas star. Spin around like a Christmas star. Clap your hands, step your feet, shout hooray, 'cause it's Christmas time. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. If you wanna do a Christmas dance, then dance with me. Can you dance like a donkey? Can you dance like a donkey? Step your hooves like a donkey. Step your hooves like a donkey. Spin around like a donkey. Spin around like a donkey. Clap your hands, step your feet, shout hooray, 'cause it's Christmas time. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. If you wanna do a Christmas dance, then dance with me. Can you dance like a Christmas tree? Can you dance like a Christmas tree? Stand still like a Christmas tree. Stand still like a Christmas tree. Spin around like a Christmas tree. Spin around like a Christmas tree. Clap your hands, step your feet, shout hooray, 'cause it's Christmas time. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance? Yeah. If you wanna do a Christmas dance, then dance with me. Can you dance like an angel? Can you dance like an angel? Clap your wings like an angel. Clap your wings like an angel. Spin around like an angel. Spin around like an angel. Clap your hands, step your feet, shout hooray, 'cause it's Christmas time. Do you wanna do a Christmas dance?
Christmas dancing.
Which one was your favourite dance? Oh, nice.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember some of those Christmas dances that we did. Have a look up here. Can you remember which Christmas dance this was? It starts with the sound S, st, star, our Christmas star dance.
Our next dance, which one do you think it is? It starts with the sound D, do, donkey, our donkey dance.
Alright, our next dance, can you see it? Starts with the sound T, tr, tree, our Christmas tree dance.
And our last dance, it starts with the sound and angel, our angel dance.
We hope you enjoyed learning all 4 Christmas dances. You can do this dance whenever you like. But you know what? We've had so much jumping and flapping and standing still like a Christmas tree that I feel like we need to do our Ki Roto song. So let's go over and we'll do our breathing song together.
Ki Roto, Ki Waho, Ki Roto, Ki Waho. Breathing helps us to calm down. Breathe in, breathe out slowly now. Ki Roto, Ki Waho, Ki Roto, Ki Waho. Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite ano. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey konera. Goodbye, hey konera.
Kia ora. Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!